Students, it's 7th class English letter and our first topic is we care for you. From the word care, we can guess that what we are about to observe, study or learn in the upcoming lessons. This is very essential for us and we can observe a lot of passions from this page. The passion of kindness, sympathy, compassion, solicitude, love for the growing plants, help to the needy persons, those who are orphans and quite alone in this world. How can we perform our role to make them feel happy, to make them realize their existence important in this world? And how can we help them to groom their personalities while living in such type of areas? Now you have to take any picture from these pictures and write a story or paragraph on any topic and give the title and caption to your paragraph and story as well. Now come to this activity. You have to write the 4 lines, your 4 viewpoints, how you can make this world a better place to live in. I have given my own points, but you will give your own. My first suggestion is create the passion of tolerance. Students, until you are tolerate, जब तक आप टॉलरेटिव नहीं हो, जब तक आप किसी को बियर नहीं कर सकते, आप किसी के साथ प्यार कैसे कर सकते हैं? हाउ कैन यू लव एनी पर्सन? हाउ कैन यू शो योर पैशन ऑफ सिंपैथी और एम्पैथी to any person? Second, we should create clemency in our personalities. हमें अपनी personalities में नरमी पैदा करनी चाहिए. Next, we should show our sympathy for the animals. हमें सिर्फ इंसानों के साथ ही अच्छा सलूक नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि इस जहाँ में, इस दुनिया में जितनी भी living beings हैं, whether they are the human beings and animals, we show our sympathy or kindness for every creature. Next, create the passion of compassion for elders और youngers. अपने youngers के साथ, अपने elders के साथ आपने किस तरह से पेश आना है और आपका behave उनके साथ कैसा होना चाहिए. Observe these things in yourself and improve these things in yourself. Now we shall discuss the lesson number 1. There is a horse in the poem and his master. When the horse was young, his master used him to ride wherever the master visited. He liked to go on horse. The horse was also in very good form. He was very happy that his master loved him. The horse was in very good condition. He was proud of himself, but now it means horse. He is in bad condition. He has put on shaggy and rough coat. His master uses a motor car wherever he goes. The horse sighs and seems to speak to the passers that once I have had my days as well. It means he has also passed his past in a super manner, but now he is in very bad condition and missing his past. This is the story of the old brown horse, and by comparing the condition of his past time and the present time, we can easily understand that what is the theme of this poem. Inshallah, in next lecture we will solve the exercise. Till then, Allah Hafiz.